sleeping. What do we do now? Should I wake him up? You should be very careful. He is very naughty. Okay? You're not supposed to get up. I'm going to wake him up now. Okay? Hello? Hey. Get up, get up. Get up. No making, kids are waiting for me. No jumping. Hello? He is very hungry. Let me feed him first. Wait. Finish faster. This is a raccoon. Hello, we are talking about you only. Finish faster. Let him finish. Done? Hello? Finish faster. Done? Oh, very good. Hey. No jumping. Oh. He is a good boy. Don't worry. He is a good boy. Please sit. Move to the side. Hello. You're not supposed to touch him.